So now let us see how to divide polynomial by polynomial if the divisor is not a linear polynomial. If it is a higher degree polynomial, let us see how to do it. So let us do this division by all the three processes. First by direct division, next by Horner's division of first simplification and Horner's division of second simplification. First, 2x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 8 divided by x square minus 5x plus 2. So x square into 2x squares are 2x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 4x square, subtract 10x cube minus 5x cube is 5x cube, 3x square minus 4x square is minus x square, and you borrow the next term minus 7x. Now x square into what is 5x cube? X square into 5x is 5x cube minus 5x into 5x is minus 25x square plus 10x minus plus minus. So this 2 gets cancelled. 25x square minus x square is 24x square minus 17x, and you borrow this 8. So x square into 24 is 24x square minus 120x, 2 into 24 is 48 minus plus minus 24x square gets cancelled. 120 minus 17, 103x minus 40. So now the division is complete. The divisor is a quadratic, the remainder is a linear, and this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So next, let us use Horner synthetic division of type 1. So here I'll write all the coefficients: 2, minus 5, 3, minus 7 and 8. So these are the coefficients of the dividend, and the coefficients of the divisor are 1, minus 5, 2, and I follow the same process. 2's are, so 1 2's are 2, minus 10 and 4. So if you subtract these 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. You borrow the next term. Next, the leading coefficient is 1 here and 5 here. 1 5's are 5, and minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. 2 into 5 is 10. So if you subtract 5 and minus 5 gets cancelled. So minus 1 plus 25 is 24. Minus 7 minus 10 is minus 17 and 8. So as you can very clearly see, the numbers that you're getting in normal division are exactly same as the numbers you're getting here. So 124's are 24, minus 5 into 24 is minus 120, 2 into 24 is 48. Subtract again, 24 minus 24 gets cancelled. So 120 minus 17 is 103. 8 minus 48 is minus 40. So you have 3 terms here, you have 2 terms here. That means the degree of remainder has gone smaller than the degree of divisor, and so our division process is complete. So the quotient corresponds to the numbers 2, 5, 24. That is 2x square plus 5x plus 24. And the remainder is having 2 terms. Minus 40 is the constant term. 103 corresponds to the x term. So 103x minus 40 exactly same as this. Now, if you use a better Horner's process, so what you need to do is, so 2 minus 5, 3 minus 7, 8. So what you do is write the leading, if the leading coefficient is 1, you don't need to write it. Just change the signs of the remaining powers of x. So you have plus 5 and minus 2, plus 5 and minus 2. So start doing your process. So first Send this 2 down. Now 5 2s are 10 and 2 minus 2s are minus 4. Now minus 5 plus 10 is plus 5. Now use this 5 and write the terms. 5 5s are 25 and 5 minus 2s are minus 10. So 25 plus 3 is 28, minus 4 is 24. Now use 24 with 5. 24 into 5 is 120 and 24 into minus 2 is minus 48. So minus 7 minus 10 is minus 113 plus 120 is 103. 8 minus 48 is minus 40. So you have two terms here. So just the last two terms goes to the remainder. First three terms goes to the quotient. As the quotient is 2x square plus 5x plus 24, the remainder is 103x minus 40. I hope you can see that this process is easier than the remaining two processes. Now let us take some more examples and directly practice this method.